Just got my RASA sunglasses in the mail, and I'm telling you, I love these glasses. These glasses came super quick. I love the quality packaging. Every part of these sunglasses have been covered in some way to make sure they get to you safely. The thing I love about RASA sunglasses is that I can have this ordinary shirt on right here, and with RASA sunglasses, completely takes it to the next level. I'm telling you, sunglasses come a dime a dozen, but none like RASA sunglasses. Another cool thing about RASA sunglasses is that they go with any outfit. Literally, you can go from casual to dressy, and they still make you look great. One of the biggest things I love about RASA sunglasses is that the company is Black owned. And I don't know about you, but personally, I love supporting Black businesses. And I'm sorry, but if you thought I was just gonna stop at blue, you were sadly mistaken. Look no further than RASA sunglasses.